Including healthy fats in your diet is essential for overall health and well-being. Here are 5 foods that are rich in healthy fats. 1. Avocado. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which can help improve heart health. They also contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Add sliced avocado to salads, spread it on toast, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy and nutritious boost. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and is known for its heart-healthy properties. It contains monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it as a cooking oil for a flavorful and healthy fat option. 3. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. Salmon is also a good source of high-quality protein. Grill, bake, or pan-sear salmon fillets for a delicious and nutritious meal. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are all excellent sources of healthy fats. They also provide fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack, sprinkle seeds over salads or yogurt, or use them in homemade granola or energy bars. 5. Coconut. Coconut and coconut oil contain medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of saturated fat that is metabolized differently by the body. Coconut oil is a popular choice for cooking and baking. Unsweetened shredded coconut can be added to baked goods or used as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. Remember that while these foods contain healthy fats, they should still be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. It's also important to consider your overall calorie intake and dietary needs when incorporating fats into your meals and snacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. See you in the next one. Take care.